Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel. And write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today, we are going to talk what are the cars will be getting launched in 2023 for between 20 to 30 lakhs. And this is the news which we are doing in Hyderabad iconic place in Charminar. The first one which is going to get launched is Tata Motors Harrier Facelift with 6-speed DCTA manual transmission and Petrol 1.5 litre. Then the second one is Safari Facelift with 30 lakhs plus with electronic steering, which is the feature. In Mahindra, there's a Thar 5-door 2 litre and 2.2 litre 4x4 with high performance between 18 to 30 lakhs. Then MG Hector Facelift again, which is going to be 1.5 CVT between 24 to 30 lakhs. Then Maruti is not going to stop. It's coming with immediately competition for Hycross, Innova Hycross, 7-seater. This is the cars which are getting launched. And the last car which is getting launched is Niro from Kia Electric, which is... Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel. And write your comments in the comment box. And thank